Assalamu alaikum. This is again for class 11th. Dear students, today we will discuss the use of dimensional formula. There are mainly three uses of dimensional formula. One is conversion of one system of units into another, checking correctness of various formulas, and derivation of a formula. We will discuss each one by one. Today's class we will discuss only one, that is conversion of one system of units into another. First, and it is application conversion of one system of units into another. ये क्या होता है conversion of one system of it is based on the fact that the magnitude of any quantity remains same if it is expressed in any system of that there are various system of units. One is MKS system of units, meter, kilogram, second, and it's CGS system, various system of units, and FPS, feet, pound, second. This is British system of units. There are various system of units. If we write any quantity in any different units, that its magnitude remains same. Suppose, what does this indicate? Suppose I write in MK system, length is suppose 2 meters. It is in meter. In CGS system, length is measured in centimeters. I can write length is equal to 200 centimeter. I have written in different system of units. Length in 2 meters, length 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter. See, in CGS system, I can write 200 centimeter. In MK system, I write length is equal to 2 meter. That means my way of writing in different system of units. It does not mean the magnitude change. The magnitude of any quantity remains same. 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter. You know that means quantity जो भी फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज है इसमें सपोज अगर मैं 2 मीटर लिखूंगा, यहाँ मैं लिखूंगा 2 इज इक्वल 200 सेंटीमीटर. इसमें ये यूनिट हो गया U1, ये क्वांटिटी हो गया N1 क्वांटिटी, ये हो गया यूनिट U2, ये N2 क्वांटिटी है इसकी क्वांटिटी. अल्टीमेटली यूनिट्स ऑफ मेजरमेंट एंड N1 एंड N2 न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यूज. हम जो भी क्वांटिटी लिखते हैं, जो हम कन्वर्ट कैसे सिस्टम करते हैं वन सिस्टम ऑफ यूनिट्स इनटू अनदर सिस्टम ऑफ यूनिट्स. हम जो U1, अगर हम U1 लिखेंगे यहाँ U1, it is the unit. Suppose it is length, unit is in length. It is not necessary. It can be in mass, length, and time. We can write U1 is equal to here M1A, L1B, T1C. M1, L1 and T1, these are the units in one system of units. A, B and C are their power. Suppose M it is twice mass, M square, length 2 बार आएगी, एरिया में 2 बार लेंथ आती है, दैट मीन्स B इक्वल टू 2. इसी तरह टाइम में कभी 1 बार आता है, कभी 2 बार आता है, इसके रेज पावर C. ऐसे हम लिखेंगे U2, इसका मास सपोज M2 है, A, L2 लेंथ B है, इन यूनिट सिस्टम B, in this unit of system T2 raised power C. A, B and C, these are constant. Why they are constant? Suppose in case of area, अगर मैं लिखूंगा area is equal to length into breadth, in M case होगा length into breadth, that is called L square. It is in meters but L square. अगर मैं लिखूंगा in CGS system, it's again equal to length into breadth is equal to L into L square. दैट मीन्स यहाँ भी लेंथ दो बार आएगी, यहाँ भी लेंथ 2, इसीलिए ये सेम रहेगा. इधर भी यहाँ लेंथ है, इधर भी 2 है, रेज पावर 2, मगर इसका यूनिट है, यूनिट चेंज हो जाएगा क्योंकि इसका यूनिट जो है मीटर में, इसका यूनिट सेंटीमीटर. दैट इज वाई आई एम राइटिंग हियर M1 L1 T1, M2 L2 T2, हियर A B C and A B C. These are the units. Ultimately this quantity, this Q is equal to N1 U1 N2 U2. And when we substitute in this equation, I will ultimately get N2. When we substitute instead of U1, I will write here M1A, L1B, T1C, M2. Instead of U2, I will write M2, L2, and T2. Ultimately, we get a formula here. L2 is N2 is equal to N1, M1 divided by M2 raised power A, L1 divided by L2 raised power B, T1 divided by T2 raised power C. ये तो एग्जाम में नहीं पूछा जाएगा, हम मगर with the help of this formula we are able to convert one system of units into another. Suppose I can give that means you have got ultimately a formula. This N2 is equal to, when we convert one system of units into another, N2 is equal to N1 M1 divided by M2 raised power A, L1 divided by L2 raised power B, T1 divided by T2 raised power C. How can we convert? Where we can get the values of A, B and C, M1, M2, if we can go for directly question, suppose this asked sometime, how can we convert 1 Newton into dyne? 1 Newton. These are the Newton, 1 Newton, conversion of 1 Newton into dyne. 1 Newton is equal to 10 raised power 5 dyne. We have to convert it. Given these are the units of, please remember, these are again the units of force. This is the unit of force in MKS system, MKS system. This is the unit of force in CGS system, CGS system, CGS system. Units of force. Both are units of force. First of all, when we go for conversion of Newton into dyne, first of all, we should know the value of force of A, B and C. How we can get the A, B and C? We should calculate the dimensional formula of force. Since हम ऐसे लिखेंगे, जब हम सोल्यूशन लिखेंगे, since 1 Newton is absolute value of force, force in MKS system and dyne is the unit of force in CGS system. Force किसके बराबर है? We know that is mass into acceleration. Mass m हो गया, acceleration हो गया velocity divided by time. Velocity खुद हो गया mass, velocity हो गया distance by time, t into t. Ultimately we get dimensional formula of this is equal to m1 distance L1 t over t raised power minus 2. These are the values of A, B and C. That means here, therefore A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, C is equal to minus 2. That means how we can calculate the value of A, B and C in this formula? When first of all you should know which the unit which is given, ये किस physical quantity का unit है. You should calculate the dimensional formula of that quantity. You will get the value of A, B and C. Now here N1 is equal to 1 Newton. It is 1 Newton. N1 is equal to N भी दिया है. अब मुझे देखना है N2 हमें निकालना है. M1, M2, L1, L2, M1, L1 and T1. These are the units of mass, length and time in one system of units. One system of units is in MKS system and another system of units is CGS system. That means I have to take two units here. Here we have to convert MKS into CGS. These are the system of units, MKS and CGS. Here mass, M1, mass, L1, length, T1. Mass is measured in kilograms, that means 1 kg. This L1, length, suppose 1 meter, time 1 second, M2, L2, T2, mass but in grams, L2 length in centimeters, 1 centimeter, time already in second, because in CGS system ये length is measured in centimeters, mass is measured in grams and time is measured in seconds. In MK system this mass is measured in kilograms, length is measured in meters, it is meter, kilogram, second, and time is measured in seconds. A, B, C is given and N1 is 1. When we substitute in the equation, we can write here N1 is equal to 1 Newton. When we are having a formula N2 is equal to, if you remember, N1 M1 divided by M2 raised power A, L1 divided by L2 raised power B, T1 divided by T2 raised power C. Here N1 is equal to 1 Newton, 1 M1, 1 kg kilogram, mass in kilograms. M2 mass in grams, go 1 gram raised power A. We have already calculated the value of A. A is equal to here 1. When we use the dimensional formula of force, we should first know the units which are given, these which physical quantity has these units. Then we have calculated the dimensional formula. Dimensional formula gives us value of A, B and C. That means A is equal to 1. Length is 1 meter. In M case, it is 1 centimeter. Raised power B. What is the value of B? B is here again 1. Time is 1 second. 1 second here B. Raised power minus 2. We will try to solve it. 1 kilogram can be converted into grams. It can be written as 1 मल्टीप्लाई करने से कोई फर्क नहीं है. 1000 grams, क्योंकि 1 किलोग्राम में 1000 grams divided by 1 gram raised power 1. Meter can be converted into centimeter, goes 100 centimeter divided by 1 centimeter. सेकंड रेज पावर माइनस 2, ये तो हो गया 1 ही. अगर हम नीचे लाएंगे प्लस 2, ये तो हो गया 1. इट कैन बी रिटन एज 10 रेज पावर 3 ग्राम कैंसल रेज पावर 1. 10 square centimeter रेज पावर 1. Bases are same, powers are added. Ultimately we can get L2 is equal to 10 raised power 5. Therefore 1 Newton is equal to 10 raised power 5 dyne. This is the how I have converted one system of units into another system of units. That means this is the first use of dimensional formula to convert one system of units. This is based on what principle? This is based on the principle that the magnitude of any quantity remains same if we express it in any system of units. Ultimately we get, when we solve this is the formula, with the help of this formula we are able to convert one system of units into another system. How we can get A, B and C? The physical quantity which is given, we should know the units which are given, which physical quantity has these units. Then we have to find the dimensional formula of that physical quantity. The dimensional formula, the powers of dimensional formula of this physical quantity gives the value of A, B and C. These M1, M2, these are the mass in one system of unit and another system. Since we are given two systems here, MKS system and CGS system. Mass in MKS system is 1 kilogram, length is 1 meter, time is 1 second. In CGS system mass is 1 gram, 1 centimeter, and we have to convert into grams. जब हम ग्राम्स में कन्वर्ट करें इसको सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट, अल्टीमेटली वी गेट 10 raised power 5. This is how we can convert one system of units into another. This is the application of dimensional formula, conversion of one system of units into another. Hope you have got it. In the next class we will do one more example and we will move the another two uses, that is checking the correctness of equation and changing one system of and derivation of the formula. Thank you very much.